Hi, my name is Kristen Anderson. This is my intro video for TNL 525, Writing in the Classroom. I was born and raised in Grand Forks, North Dakota. I always knew from a young age that I was going to go to UND, and I always knew from ever since I was little that I wanted to be a teacher. So I got my degree in 2014 in elementary education, and I have a minor in middle school math. I just finished reading the book Pudding by Julie Murphy. It's a companion novel to the movie Dumplin' that was popular on Netflix this summer. It was a very lighthearted, good read. I really enjoyed it. Currently now I'm reading The Wednesday Wars, and I've also been reading on and off Reading in the Wild. Up next, I have quite the list of books that I want to read. I just kind of start collecting books and then I choose whichever one I'm just kind of feeling at the moment. Um, I have very um, different types of books, and so I just kind of choose whatever I'm feeling in the moment. This is my fifth year teaching at Riverside Christian School. It is a small private school um, in East Grand Forks. I am the main language arts teacher for middle school, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And I also teach keyboarding for 4th and 5th graders. That's something new that I just started doing this year, and it's actually pretty fun. Um, I'm the homeroom teacher for the 8th grade class, and I have 11 students in my homeroom, and there are a total of 23 students in the whole middle school. Some of my favorite things are on this page. You'll notice that I have quite a few pictures of my dog. He's quite the little character. Speaking of characters, I also love Baby Yoda. My friends and coworkers and my boyfriend, they send me Baby Yoda memes all the time. So obviously, when I was able to find a Baby Yoda hat for dogs, I obviously had to put that on my dog. My dog's name is Wallace, and if you read my entry from in my writer's notebook, you'll see how important he is to me. And so I just hold him very dear to my heart. I selected God is So Good because I teach at a Christian school and my faith is something that's very important to me. And so I find fun pictures on Instagram and stuff that I like. Um, I added this meme down here because I really like memes. I am kind of like the meme queen in middle school. Um, and I just started working out and going to yoga and stuff regularly. So I felt like this was um, funny on multiple levels. One, I'm starting to be healthy and, take care of my body. And then there's me who wants to treat myself and get chicken nuggets and a Diet Coke or something after working out. And then the final picture that I selected was because I am a hardcore napper. I love to take naps. And once we came back from school, or once we came back from Christmas break, it was pretty hard to go all day without taking a nap. So those are some things that mean a lot to me and that I find important. And then in this class, I am just really hoping to grow as a writer and as a teacher. When I was a student in elementary school, I just loved to write. I wrote all the time. I wrote stories and I wrote poems and I wrote like informational things that I found were interesting. And I just always was writing. And I've really lost that as an adult. And so I really want to just grow as a writer um, for me personally and for my students as well. And I really want to create a love for writing in my students too. So I just cannot wait to get started and just grow and learn along with everyone in our class.